Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Imperishable Brahman, Chapter 8, Shloka 7. Therefore, at all times, remember me and fight with mind and intellect fixed or absorbed in me. You shall doubtless come to me alone.
Chapter 8, Shloka 7. Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu mam anusmara yudhya cha mayyarpitamano buddhihi mam ye vaishyasi asamshayah.
Chapter 8, Shloka 7. After explaining the future destinies and that I myself have to choose and prepare for it, now Lord elaborates as follows. Lord's advice is applicable in the secular fields of living and in the divine realms of life. Through his simple instructions, the standard of living can be raised, and also standard of life can be divinized. Man rarely has his mind where his hands are working. Mind is generally lost in fears, jealousies, and imaginary failures. Lord Krishna says that a truly successful man in the outer world or the realm within should rest his mind at the feet of truth. Then he can pour out his entire capacity at the work at hand and assure for himself the best here and hereafter. No matter what one does, he must learn to keep his mind continuously in the awareness of his real nature, which is neither difficult nor impracticable. An actor playing a role in a drama never forgets his personal identity. He is an efficient actor who constantly remembers his own real identity. Similarly, if one constantly remembers his divine nature while acting, his accomplishment will be better, and at the same time he will be able to soften the reactions of any disappointments. A man of constant awareness acts in the world as a mastermind, selflessly, with love and kindness, and enchants the world of his time and future generations too. Krishna's advice to all individuals through Arjuna is that he who lives a life of battle to win righteous profits and constantly remembers the Lord, while doing so, his mind and intellect get absorbed in me. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.